Okay, I'm apologizing to myself on the front end. I was just so curious to see what I sounded like while I was eating. I've got my lasagna. Ooh, it's hot. You can see the steam. Yeah. This is, this would be very, very good for, eating scenes. Like the main character is, Luke. He's got this, he likes to eat. He doesn't look like he likes to eat, but he likes to eat. A lot of my characters like to eat. Maybe because I like to eat, but lasagna. Might not be such a good idea to start with such a hot dish. I should probably stick to apples or something. No, wait. Bread. Brownies. Or just the food that I have shown on the screen, you know? That'll work too. Hang on. Yeah, that would work. You hear me smacking? It's me chewing and trying to talk at the same time. Stringy. This is what lasagna is all about. This is, like, delicious. Okay. I'm gonna stop recording now so I can eat my meal in peace. This was not a very good idea. Once again, I'm apologizing to myself. I will go back and listen to this. Okay.